The Pixel 10 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2025, with Google preparing to launch a full lineup, including the standard Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold. All eyes are on the Pro model, and for good reason. There are three standout features that make the Pixel 10 Pro a strong contender for anyone considering a switch from other major smartphone brands. The Ultra is about to unfold, and Samsung is bringing some massive launch offers your way. If you haven't reserved your next Galaxy yet, you're missing out on something huge. Reserve now through the link in the description and instantly get a $50 Samsung credit just for signing up, but that's only the beginning. You'll also unlock up to $1,150 in additional savings when you complete your purchase, and here's the real kicker: your reservation enters you into a sweepstakes for a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung credit. Yes, $5,000. Don't wait. Reserve now. The link is right there in the description. Now, here are the three reasons why the Pixel 10 Pro stands out. 1. Exceptional camera experience. For most smartphone users, camera quality is a top priority. The Pixel 10 Pro is expected to feature the same 50-megapixel Samsung G5 primary sensor as its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro, but what really sets it apart is Google's computational photography. Tools like HDR+, Night Sight, Super Race Zoom, and Magic Eraser have made Pixel phones famous for delivering stunning photos, even with modest hardware. While the hardware might not be the largest or most advanced compared to other flagships, Google's intelligent image processing usually delivers some of the best results in the industry. Even casual shots tend to look professionally edited thanks to the software enhancements. However, there is some concern about the lack of a secondary telephoto lens. Optical zoom plays a big role in detailed photography, especially for portraits and distant subjects. The good news is that the Pixel 10 Pro is still expected to include a capable zoom lens with a practical focal length, which should be more than enough for everyday use. If the Pixel 10 Pro continues Google's reputation for excellent smartphone photography, it could be one of the top camera phones of the year. 2. All-new Tensor G5 chipset. Another major reason to keep an eye on the Pixel 10 Pro is the debut of the Tensor G5 chipset. Unlike previous generations, which were co-developed with Samsung, this chip is expected to be Google's first fully in-house design, possibly manufactured by TSMC. Previous Tensor chips have focused heavily on AI and machine learning but often lagged behind Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors in raw performance and power efficiency. The Tensor G5 could be a turning point, especially if it delivers smoother performance, better battery life, and more stable thermals. Being a first-generation chip, some concerns about early issues are natural, but with the right optimization, the Tensor G5 could bring the best of both worlds: intelligent AI features and solid day-to-day performance. If successful, this would finally allow Pixel devices to compete directly with performance-focused flagships. 3. AI that enhances, not annoys. AI has become a standard buzzword in tech, but not all AI features are helpful. In fact, many smartphone users find AI intrusive, unnecessary, or privacy invasive. The Pixel 10 Pro is expected to take a more balanced approach by integrating Google's Gemini AI system in a way that actually improves the user experience. Instead of gimmicks, the goal is practical, useful AI, smart photo editing, on-device translation, efficient voice commands, and personal assistance that respects privacy. These features should work seamlessly in the background and appear only when needed. No constant interruptions. No overreaching suggestions. No misuse of data. Google is focusing on creating AI that's useful, subtle, and respectful of user control, something that could set the Pixel 10 Pro apart from both Apple and Samsung's latest offerings. Many users still remember earlier Pixel models like the Pixel 3a, which offered fantastic value and camera performance. Devices like that earned Google a loyal fanbase. With the Pixel 10 Pro, There's hope that Google can bring back that magic, this time in a premium flagship form. And for those not interested in top-tier phones, the upcoming Pixel 1a is also worth watching. With the same focus on clean software, smart features, and excellent cameras at a lower price point, it may continue the tradition of delivering solid value without the premium price tag. The Pixel 10 Pro is looking like a serious contender in 2025, with a strong camera system, a potentially game-changing Tensor G5 chip, and meaningful AI features that don't get in the way. It checks many of the boxes users care about most. Whether it's the right phone depends on how well these features come together in real-world use. But one thing is clear, Google is aiming high, and the Pixel 10 Pro could be the most impressive Pixel yet.